Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about the colorful iGame Z690D5 Ultra motherboard. So friend, colorful introduced the iGame Z690D5 Ultra motherboard for the 12th generation Intel Core processor, and friend, it is designed to meet the needs of gamers and content creators for building a high performance PC with the latest technologies. And friend, it supports enlarged and extruded silver wave illuminated heat sinks with a matching white color PCB. And friend, the motherboard's headers DIMM stot and ICs are in black, providing an elegant contrast with the white and silver colors. And friend, the motherboard boasts 2 PCIe 4.0 into 16 slot for high-end graphics card and high-speed AIC NVMe SSDs. And friend, the motherboard is also fitted with 3 M.2 PCIe Gen4 into 4 slots with high performance and large heat sinks for Gen4 NVMe SSDs. And friend, it features large extruded silver wave heat sinks to keep the VRM and MOSFETs cool without the needs of an active fan, and extrusion create more surface area for heat dissipation, making it more efficient for cooling. And friend, the silver wave design provides an entry set and eye-catching detail perfect for gamers and builders that crave for aesthetically pleasing PC builds. And friend, it does not only comes with DDR5 memory support, but it also supports 2 PCIe 4.0 into 16 slot for high performance graphics card and 3 PCIe 4 into 4 M.2 slot for high performance NVMe SSDs. And friend, if I talk about the pricing, it is priced at $289 USD. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.